Hi, this is Jenn Salladay with HomeCity Real Estate. I'm out here in Manor, Texas today in Presidential Glen at one of my latest listings. This is a beautiful home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,700 square feet. There's a lot of really beautiful touches, so let's go take a look. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is a perfect starter home and ideal for entertaining. Upon entering, you're welcomed by a grand hallway with custom lighting leading to both the living room and formal dining room. With tons of natural light, the dining room is ideal for dinner parties and family gatherings, and it's a convenient location right off the kitchen. This spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, with tons of countertop space, cabinetry, a sit-in bar, and an enormous walk-in pantry. This kitchen exudes both functionality and beauty. Open to the kitchen and entryway, the living room is great for gatherings. This mother-in-law floor plan provides guests or children with their own private wing of the home. The master retreat is large enough for a king-size bed suite and opens to a luxurious spa-like bathroom. With both a stand-up shower and garden tub, this beautiful bathroom features a large vanity, contemporary gray cabinetry, and lots of storage with a walk-in closet. Opposite the master, the guest bedrooms are a good size, and the guest bath has been customized with painted cabinetry and pulls. Located in Presidential Glen, this community also offers top-notch amenities, including a resort-like pool, neighborhood playgrounds, a covered picnic pavilion area, and walking trails. For more information or to schedule a tour, contact Jenn Salladay at 512-818-6146.